Okay, so let's solve NEET 2024 physics question paper. First question is about magnetic field at the center of the circular coil. So we know that B is equal to mu naught I upon 2R into N. Okay, mu naught is 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7 into I is given as 7 into 100 divided by 2 times 0.1. So this comes out to be 10 to the power 3, and this is 10 to the power minus 7. So 10 to the power minus 4. So 2 2s are 4. Here we will write 10 to the power minus 4. So 2 pi, that is 6.28 into 7, near about 420 into 10 to the power minus 4. 42 into 10 to the power minus 4. So we can say that 4.2 into 10 to the power minus 3. So 4.2, you can say millitesla. That is the answer. Next, match the pairs. So we'll match here directly. Diamagnetic, this will be this. Paramagnetic, this is a small number. Ferromagnetic, very high, and non-magnetic 0. So it comes out to be option number 3. Next, here cyclic process work done is 0. Next, unpolarized light, this is unpolarized, reflected will be perfectly polarized and refracted will be partially polarized. So second option is the correct one. Next, np upon we know that vp upon vs is equal to np upon ns. So 1 upon 2, that is they have asked vs upon vp, that is 2 is to 1. Next, here output will be the opposite of the input here. So B bar is the correct answer. For low output, low input, output is high, and for high it is low. So B bar is the correct answer. For vernier caliper, we will apply the direct formula, that is uh, that main scale division divided by n plus 1. So 0.1 mm in centimeter, 1 upon 100 into n plus 1, that is the correct answer. Here maximum elongation, we know that sigma l upon delta l, that will be y. So delta l will be sigma l upon y. So we will directly divide these two terms. So 8 into 10 to the power, okay, 8 into 10 to the power 8 divided by 2 into 10 to the power 11 comes out to be uh, 4 into 10 to the power minus 3. So 4 millimeter. Next, force is applied, F is equal to ma. So 10 is equal to 5a. So acceleration is 2, and 2 is applied on this block. So uh, you can say force is equal to mass into acceleration, 3 into 2, that is 6. Okay, next, here monochromatic, this is a theoretical question. Central bright band surrounded by, okay, here we know that lambda is equal to h upon p, and p is root of 2me. So squaring and reciprocal, if we take, so we can say that 1 upon lambda square is directly proportional to e, that is a straight line. So 11th is option 2. Here c1 c2 divided by c1 plus c2, it comes out to be 1 1 plus this one, so 2 microfarad. Here magnet is moving away, so here should be south, here should be north, and here it should repel. So here south and here north. So north means this is the direction of current, and this is the direction of current from a to b and d to C. Second option is the correct. Next, here solar, for solar cell, we know that this is the graph. And second option, it is said that reverse biased majority. So here it should be minority. So A is correct, B is false. Next, here we will apply directly Snell's law for this both surfaces. So first surface, I sin n1 sin I1, n1 1 into sine I1, that is 1 half is equal to n1, or n2 sine r1. Okay, r1 is this angle, r2 is this angle, and this is a. So r2 is equal to 90 minus r1. For this surface again, n1 for refractive index of air is 1. Again sine 90 is again 1 is equal to n2, and sine of this r2, so 90 minus r1, that is cos of our r1. So if you take the ratio of these two equation, you will get 1 half is equal to tan r1. Okay, so this is the 1 and 2, it should be root 5. So sine r1 is 1 upon root 5. You substitute here, you will get root 5 by 2. Here if you substitute sine r1, you will get n2 is equal to root 5 by 2. So answer fourth one is correct. Next here, kp upon r square, if you solve it, you will get 9 into 10 to the power 3. Here it should not be 2. So a is correct and b is false. Next, moment of inertia, it is given as 2400 square is equal to ml square. M is given as 400 into l square upon 12. So 0 0 0 0, 4 3s are, so 3 into 24, 72 is equal to l square root of 72. So 8 square is 64, so nearby is 8.5. 17, answer of 17 is 8.5. So 18th question, so we can say that what they have asked, terminal voltage V is equal to epsilon minus IR. R is 1, I is 10 divided by 4 plus 1, that is 5, 2. So 10 minus 2 is 8 volt. 18th. Next, here for smaller orbit, higher will be the wavelength, so inversely proportional to. So smaller is here 3 to 2, okay, and highest will be 656, and accordingly following the same order, we can say that for A3 this is the correct answer. Here again, regarding the photon, energy is h into nu, that is frequency. Velocity is c, hv. All these assessments are correct, but here it should be chargeless. So this is the wrong answer, wrong statement. So a b c d are correct. Here for alpha, it is reduced by 4 and this is reduced by 2, that is 286 80. For e plus, one should be reduced, that is 79, and 2 should be added, 80 81, 286 81, it is the answer, second one. Next one, power is equal to force into velocity. So velocity is given as dx by dt, it is 2 into this force 5, that is 5 into 2 is 10. Next, again here a bar for NAND, and NOR it is b bar, and here bar of a bar plus b bar. So we can say that a bar of a bar dot bar of b bar. So a dot b, it is AND gate, it is the correct answer. So let's clear this. Next is we can say that gravitational acceleration. We know that gm upon r square. M is made 1 by 10 times, and r is r by 2, so upon 4. So 4 by 10 into 10, gm upon r square is small g, that is 10. So 4 by 10, 4 by 10 into 10, so 10 10, approximately 4 is 3.92, because we have considered 10 as a gravitational acceleration. 25, atoms are electrically, it is correct. Each element is stable, it is not correct. First is correct, second is wrong. Here a translational direction is this, tangential velocity is, direction is tangential direction here, and translational is like this. So here it should be added and it should be subtracted, so p is faster than q. Next, okay, varying velocity, varying acceleration. Here f upon l is 2 pi r, that is 6.28 into r is given as 4.5 divided by 100, into here we will get 7 upon 100, so multiplied by 7 upon 100, so it comes out to be, we will consider as 5. 21 210 divided by 21, near about 19.8 milli Newton. That is the correct answer. Magnetic field 29. So 29 we have T is equal to 2 pi square root of I upon mb. So squaring T is known as 20 oscillation in 5. So 1 by 4 is equal to 2 pi 4 pi square into I is given as 9.8 into 10 to the power minus 6, and mb, m is given as, okay, magnetic field is 0.049, 0.049. I is 9.8 into 10 to the power minus 6, and upon m we are supposed to calculate, and b is given as 0.049, 0.049. So here it comes out to be 200. So approximately it will be 1280 pi square. Okay, next, a and b. So we know that this is u1 and this is 0. So m1 v is equal to inelastic m1 plus m2. So here 2 times m, so 2 is to 1, v1 upon v2. Oh, 1 is to 2, v1 upon v2. No, v upon this is 2, 2 is to 1. So answer is fourth one. 31, 31, a sin omega t. So this is a in meter. So either 2 or 4. Now omega is pi, because this is a sin omega t. So 2 pi f is equal to pi s. So 1 upon 2 is f. So t is 2. So 2, fourth one is the correct answer. 31. 32, dimensionless. We know that strain is dimensionless and angle is okay. 33, for any point potential is same, potential difference is 0, q upon r. Here Bob is world. Okay, ml omega square, because mr omega square and r is l, so it is 2.4 times omega square, so 4 times t. So fourth answer is correct. Okay, now where this is r by 10, each segment is having r by 10, such 5 series, so 5 r by 10, so r by 2, it means 50 for series. Okay, 50 for series, and 1 upon rp is equal to 5 times 1 upon r by 10. Okay, means r is 100, 50 upon 100, 1 upon 2, a reciprocal of that 2, the 50 plus 2 is 52. That finishes the section A, and we will discuss section B in second part of the video.